I met one photographer. He is doing the photography in his studio for 29 years. And the uniqueness of his studio is he has got variety of portrait photograph. What is the variety? He has got three types of photograph categories. One is take a picture, upload in social media as you is. Means people come, people are getting clicked of the photograph, upload in his or her social media profile, and the cost is 500 rupees. Now the next thing, that is category number 2, is people are getting clicked the way they want to become in their life. So their facial expression is something very beautiful that they want to become, as if they have already become their epic state and being clicked. And the cost is 250 rupees. So first, as is, your picture is clicked on 50 rupees, and the second category is clicking what you exactly want to become, and as if you have already become that. So this is 250 rupees. And the third category is 351 rupees, that clicking photograph so that you can impress people. So you can take a hockey stick, or you can put a hat, you can put a jacket, so that you can impress other. And 351 rupees is the respective price for that photograph, which is quite expensive. And the shop or the studio of the photographer is just behind the road of a city, beside the biggest city mall in the city. And in his 29 years experience all through, last 15 years trend is that 21% only focus on getting clicked and upload the social media the picture as they are. So they come, want to have a picture clicked, upload their social media, that is 21%. And 70% is to impress other, which is quite a good number, and he is enjoying the 351 rupees per click and doing some social media working, editing and uploading to their profile, or help them to get uploaded in their respective profile. They provide that picture. So fundamental essence is people are very busy pretending that they are not, and they are try to impress others, rather than they are projecting their future as a brighter, bigger, bolder, compelling, and they take smaller action towards their goal, so that their life journey will be really compelling, fulfilling and nourished. Fundamental objective: every individual has got unlimited hidden potential. It is the responsibility that the default nature is agony, painful situation, nothing is happening, complaining, and it is the essential duty to take ownership, accountability, such that using the intelligence, using the knowledge, using the skill, they should uplift their state of being from most ordinary to extraordinary level by projecting their goal, aligning with their vision, mission, and purpose, and taking focus action, measure that are they on the right track, and doing the corrective measures, and keep on doing with the positive mindset, so that their spirit will be breaking any of the ups and down situation in the external world. In the internal world, they will be really confident, they will be blissful, they will be blessed, they will be equipped with all the resources and grow for making the life really fruitful. If you follow the tools, you will be able to see consistent success in your life journey, and you will be really number one with the upgraded version of yours. Thank you for watching.